you struggling to create a converting email sequence to your sales funnel? If you're looking for an easy way to create an amazing sales funnel, then this video is for you. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Ortal Green, and I'm mentoring entrepreneurs and business owners on how to create products their audience wants to buy. If you're enjoying my series on the secrets to creating amazing marketing content using Chat GPT, then you're gonna love the mini course I prepared for you. This mini course is all about how you can create unbeatable marketing content in less than 60 seconds. In this course, you will learn all the tricks and hacks and ways for you to harness the power of AI to create unbeatable marketing content in no time at all. I'll place the link to it in the description below, so check it out. So let's jump into tip number 16, which is all about creating an amazing email sequence to your sales funnel. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, it's easy to create one. You just go to chat.openai.com and create an account for you. It's free. I'll put the link to it in the description below so you can grab it from there. So let's look at the prompt you need to provide ChatGPT in order to create an email sequence. So let's say I'm an interior designer and I've created a course where I mentor people who want to do DIY interior design on how to go about it. So now that I've created that course, I'm creating a sales funnel where I'm leading people into purchasing that course. So this is what I'm writing ChatGPT in order to get it to write this email sequence for this sales funnel. As an expert copywriter, can you write a series of 5 sales funnel emails that convert? So in that case, I want to have 5 emails in that sales funnel. And I want to start by providing more value and creating trust. And therefore, what I'm writing ChatGPT is the first email needs to include a welcome and to provide some advice on how to go about DIY interior design. So you can't just start with an offer. You want to start with providing more value to your audience. And then I'm continuing with the instructions. The second email needs to provide more value in the topic of how to go about DIY interior design. I want to have 2 emails that provide value, so my audience will see that I can provide a lot of value for them, learn to trust me, and learn to value and appreciate the information I provide them. The third email needs to talk about the pain points of doing a DIY interior design. It can be overwhelming. You don't know where to start. You struggle to match colors, and you are drowning in the vast amount of information you find online. Then talk about a solution to this problem, a course on how to do DIY interior design with an interior designer that guides you and answers all your questions. Mention the course run over 5 weeks, 1 hour per week. This course is now on special offer for the next 3 days. Instead of $750, it costs only $390. So in the third email, this is where you start touching on the pain point of your audience. You want to poke their pain points so they want to purchase your solution. And so you specify to ChatGPT what are the pain points you wanted to include in that email. And then after talking about these pain points, continue with your offer. You have these pain points and I have this solution for you. And now this solution for you is on special offer, as you want to create some urgency to purchase that course. And then I'm continuing with my instruction about the 4th email. The 4th email should promote again the course. It should have testimonials of people who have done the course and how it helped them with a DIY interior design, and a call to action to register to the course. So although I'm writing to ChatGPT to write testimonial in the 4th email, I'm not going to use fake testimonials. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace that testimonial that ChatGPT will provide with real ones. So never use fake testimonials. That's not the right thing to do. Just replace it with real one from your customers. And then I'm continuing with what I wanted to write as the 5th email. The 5th email should mention again the pain points and how this course will solve your problem. It is your last chance to register to this course at a discounted price. Call to action to register. So again, you need to touch again on the pain points so the audience will feel that they want to find a solution. And then you create a sense of urgency by mentioning that the special offer is about to expire and they need to hurry and register today in order to enjoy that discount. So let's click enter and see what happens. Let's see what Chat GPT is going to write. So it's starting with the first email with a subject line, welcome to our interior design community. And then welcoming that person. I want to personally welcome you to our community of DIY interior design enthusiasts. We are here to help you achieve your dream home without breaking the bank. Already, ChatGPT is mentioning the benefit of taking that course. To start, here are a few tips to get you going. Start with a vision board, gather ideas from Pinterest, Instagram, and magazine to create a cohesive design plan. Declutter your space and use color to your advantage. So already we're providing benefits, more benefit to our audience, which is fantastic. And then email number 2 with a subject line of 3 more tips for achieving your dream home. So again, another email where we're providing value to our audience. I'm back with more tips to help you achieve your dream home. Here are 3 more to add to your arsenal. Number 1, don't be afraid to mix patterns. Stripes, florals, and geometrics can all work together if they share a common color scheme. Tip number 2, create a focal point. Whether it's a statement wall, a piece of artwork, or a bold piece of furniture, a focal point can anchor your design. And it goes on to tip number 3. So that's another email where we provide value to our audience. And by doing so, we're creating trust, and they learn to appreciate what we have to offer. And then email number 3 with a subject line of struggling with your DIY interior design, we can help. And this is where we start talking about the solution and how we can help them. I know how overwhelming it can be to tackle DIY interior design project on your own. You don't know where to start, you struggle to match colors, and you are drowning in information online. So ChatGPT took the pain points I mentioned and wrote them in that email. That's why we're excited to offer a course on DIY interior design that's designed to guide you through the process. Led by an experienced interior designer, this 5-week course will give you the knowledge and confidence you need to create your dream home. And now it's stating the offer and the discount. So as always, look at these emails as a good first draft. It's a really good first draft. Basically, ChatGPT did the heavy lifting for you and did kind of 80% of the work. And now you need to go over these emails that ChatGPT has created and tweak them, add to them your special touch, maybe format them a bit differently. And then you're ready to go and have 5 emails to your email sequence in your sales funnel. Let's just have a look at the 4th email and subject line. Hear what others are saying about our DIY interior design course. And this is the email where ChatGPT is adding testimonials. As I mentioned before, don't use fake testimonials. This is not the right thing to do. Just replace it with real one from your own customers. And it's important to include social proof. As human beings, we all rely on social proof on our decision whether to purchase a product or a service. As you can see, by providing ChatGPT with the right instructions, you easily and quickly get an email sequence to your sales funnel. And now all you have to do is just go over it, tweak it, add to it, change it a bit, add to it your own special flavor, and there you go, your sales funnel is ready. This was tip number 16. I hope you enjoyed it. As I mentioned before, I created a mini course especially for you. It's called The Secrets to Unbeatable Marketing in Less than 60 Seconds. In this course, you learn all the tips and hacks and tricks on how you can harness the full potential of ChatGPT. I placed a link to it in the description below so you can go and check it out. Until next time, stay focused and never give up on your dreams.